Okay, percussionists, here we go. For today, we're going to do two things. We're going to review the things we've talked about so far about position and grip, and then we're going to go ahead and teach you a new technique today that's called 8 on a hand. So the first thing we want to do is get our sticks in both hands, and we want to review that grip that we've gone over so many times. So first of all, we take our index finger and make a hook. We get that hook right on the tape, or if you have Vic Firth sticks, right on the flag, and then you put your thumb right even with that. So we have a nice fulcrum where that stick's going to go up and down. Okay? Do the same thing with the other hand. And we got our grip. All right? Then we're going to make sure we're in the right position to the snare drum. Okay, so we put our sticks out in front of us. Okay, you're going to hang your arms by your sides, just bend your elbows. Okay, make that good, nice big piece of pizza, hands apart. And then I want you to get your elbows slightly forward and slightly out. And once you do that, you should be able to put your sticks right over the middle of your pad. All right, so there we go. Once again, hook, thumb, both hands. Then we're going to lift our arms in front, get your elbows forward and slightly away from you, and then find right where that drum should be. All right, now today's exercise is going to be 8 on a hand, which practices a rebound stroke. So we want to see the stick come all the way up and all the way down in a nice smooth motion. Okay, we're going to do that 8 times on each hand, and that's why we call it 8 on a hand. 8 notes on each hand. We go back and forth and we play 8 times. So it's 4 times on each hand for a total of 8 times, 8 notes on each hand. Okay, so we're going to set our metronome to 120 beats per minute. We're going to get set over the snare drum, and then we're going to do this together. Right hand first, then left hand, 4 times on each hand, 8 times total. Here we go. Okay, check your grip, check your position, and get ready to start. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left. 5, 6, 7, 8, and right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and right. 2, 3, 4, and left. Notice the sticks are going straight up and down. And right. And left hand, last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, done. Okay, that's the first time through. Now you're going to shake out your hands a little bit. All right, making sure when we do this that the sticks are staying right on a line. Okay, you don't want to be flipping off anywhere else. Just one straight line up and down. Here's our second time through. 8 strokes on each hand, and then we go back and forth for a total of 8 times. 1, 2, get set. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to the right. 1, 2, 4, 5, stay with me, don't get ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left. And right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and left. This is the last time for 5, 6, 7, 8, done. Okay, shake it out. Now before we do this next set, I want to remind you of one thing. The hand that's not playing is staying nice and close to the drum, okay? It's not moving around. I didn't put it down by my side. It's just right there for when I need it. Okay, so we're going to move the right hand, and the left hand stays still. Then we move the left hand, and the right hand stays still. Here's our last set of 8 on a hand for today. Check your grip, check your stance, be ready to play. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the left hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to the right. 1, 2, 5, 6. And then the left. Hand, left hand, right hand, last time, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, done. Good job practicing 8 on a hand today. So just remember the things we talked about. We reviewed grip, we reviewed how to stand to the drum, we reviewed your rebound stroke, that nice bouncing stroke that you're going to go over. Okay. We also went over the idea of a fulcrum, which is part of your grip. Okay. vocabulary word, fulcrum. Okay? And then we reviewed this technique called 8 on a hand, and we practiced it at 120 beats per minute today, and you can try it even faster on your own. Good job.